Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the Cisco DevNet Associate, DEVASC, syllabus so you know exactly what to study and how to prioritize your time. The DEVASC exam is divided into 6 domains that total 100%, understanding and using APIs 20%, infrastructure and automation 20%, software development and design 15%, Cisco platforms and development 15%, application deployment and security 15%, and network fundamentals 15%. Each domain lists difficulty, estimated learning time, and assessment type to help you plan study sessions and hands-on practice. Understanding and using APIs is 20% of the exam, focuses on interacting with RESTful APIs and authentication, and is rated medium with an estimated learning time of 30 hours and assessment type hands-on plus conceptual. You will learn REST API fundamentals including the difference between RPC and REST, common constraints, HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, patch and delete, and how to interpret response status codes and headers. The domain also covers API interaction and security with basic, token and OAuth authentication, rate limiting and pagination, using Python requests to construct and parse requests, and implementing robust error handling. Infrastructure and automation is 20% of the exam, focuses on automating network tasks and model-driven programmability, and is rated hard with an estimated learning time of 45 hours and assessment type hands-on plus conceptual. You will compare agent-based and agentless configuration management, learn the benefits of infrastructure as code and when to use Ansible playbooks or Terraform, and understand service orchestration roles such as Cisco NSO and the life cycle of configuration changes. The domain also covers Yang data models, differences between netconf and RESTconf, operational versus configuration data, RESTconf URI construction, interpreting JSON or XML payloads, and the use of NME for telemetry. Software development and design is 15% of the exam, focuses on design patterns, data formats and version control, and is rated medium with an estimated learning time of 25 hours and assessment type conceptual plus scenario-based. You will work with structured and unstructured data formats, analyze JSON and XML payloads, understand YAML for configuration, and practice converting data between JSON, XML and YAML using Python parsing libraries. The domain also covers Git operations like add, commit, push and pull, branching and merge conflict resolution, SDLC phases, comparisons of waterfall and agile, common design patterns such as MVC and observer, and the benefits of test-driven development. Cisco platforms and development is 15% of the exam, focuses on leveraging Cisco SDKs and APIs, and is rated medium with an estimated learning time of 25 hours and assessment type scenario-based. You will identify capabilities of Cisco DNA Center APIs, use Meraki Dashboard and SD1V Manage APIs for automation, and explore DevNet Sandbox for testing and validation of solutions. The domain also covers collaboration and compute platforms including WebEx APIs and bots, UCS Manager and Intersite automation, automating contact center solutions, and using App Dynamics for application performance monitoring. Application deployment and security is 15% of the exam, focuses on containerization, CI/CD and security best practices, and is rated hard with an estimated learning time of 35 hours and assessment type scenario-based. You will learn Docker architecture, how to write and manage Docker files, pipeline stages for CI/CD, differences between public, private and hybrid clouds, and deployment choices between bare metal, virtual machines and containers. The domain also emphasizes application security by studying the OWASP Top 10, secure storage of API keys and secrets, XSS and SQL injection prevention, encryption best practices, and log analysis for security events. Network fundamentals is 15% of the exam, focuses on foundational networking concepts for developers, and is rated easy with an estimated learning time of 20 hours and assessment type conceptual plus scenario-based. You will review the OSI and TCP/IP models, IP addressing and subnetting for IPv4 and IPv6, compare TCP and UDP, and identify roles of routers, switches, VLANs and firewalls. The domain also covers DNS, DHCP, NAT and PAT, load balancers versus proxies, the impact of latency and jitter on applications, and basic troubleshooting tools like ping and traceroute. Use the domain weights, difficulty ratings, estimated hours and assessment types to build a study plan that balances reading and hands-on labs. Focus on hands-on practice in sandboxes, build small projects for APIs and automation, and revisit weak areas before exam day. Good luck and study smart for the DEVASC exam.